Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping Instagram from knowing your location on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Letting Instagram know your exact location could be a safety issue. If you post a photo and your exact location is shared, this could pose a safety risk for you if the information gets into the wrong hands. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the settings and select Instagram. Then tap Location at the top of the options. You can now choose between Never, Ask Next Time, or When I Share, while using the app, and Always. Below those options, there is a toggle for precise location. When the toggle is green, Instagram can see your precise location. When grey, it can only see your approximate location. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.